Topic 7a, Overview of Respiration and Glycolysis. Cellular respiration is the process by which cells convert the sugar glucose into usable energy. To do this, cells take glucose and oxygen and convert it to carbon dioxide, water, and energy in the form of heat or the molecule ATP. ATP is adenosine triphosphate, and it represents usable chemical energy. The overall reaction can be written as a chemical formula like this, where C6H12O6 represents glucose. This process occurs as four groups of reactions. The first is called glycolysis. The second, there's a choice between a reaction set called pyruvate oxidation or one called fermentation. Third, a set of reactions called the citric acid cycle will occur. And fourth is a set of reactions called the electron transport chain. These reactions occur in different parts of the cell. Glycolysis occurs in the cytoplasm. Pyruvate oxidation and the citric acid cycle occur in the mitochondrial matrix. And the electron transport chain occurs on the inner membrane. Now let's step through the process of cellular respiration, beginning with glycolysis. In glycolysis, the cell starts with a glucose molecule and converts it to two pyruvate molecules, and in the process produces two NADH and two ATP. It occurs as a series of 10 reactions in the cytoplasm of a cell. The first three steps of glycolysis converts glucose to fructose 1,6-biphosphate. Each numbered arrow represents one enzyme, so this is a metabolic pathway. This conversion requires the use of 2-ATP. Since the goal is to produce more ATPs, we will have to keep a running tally of the number that have been used and produced. So far, 2 ATPs have been used and none have been produced. The next two reactions convert fructose 1,6-biphosphate to two glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate molecules. These reactions cut a 6-carbon ring into two 3-carbon molecules. The last of the 5 reactions convert the two glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate molecules into two pyruvate molecules. Notice that at reaction 6, two NADH molecules have been produced. These will be important later. Then, at reaction 7, two ATPs have been produced. So the two used ATPs have now been replaced, and we are at a net total ATP of 0. But at reaction 10, two more ATPs have been produced. So now there's a net amount of 2. And two pyruvate molecules have been made. So far, we have seen that a cell will split a glucose molecule into two 3-carbon pyruvates in a process called glycolysis. This produces two NADH and two ATP. To review, cellular energy is derived from breaking the chemical bonds in glucose. The first set of reactions occurs in the cytoplasm and is called glycolysis. Glycolysis converts a glucose molecule into two pyruvates. During this conversion, two ATP and two NADH are produced.